Hey future heroes! Welcome back to the Heroes Hall. Today, we are diving into Building H, one of JRU's academic hubs, standing strong since 1968. This 5-story building isn't just about classrooms. It is also about JRU's most important facilities. Let's check it out. Every Rizalian passes through here, our main entrance. Right at the ground floor of Building H, it is equipped with turnstile gates for security, making sure that our campus is a safe space for everyone. If you've ever passed by JRU along Shaw Blvd, you've definitely noticed this, our main library. Spanning over 2 floors and 1,300 square meters, it is a hub for study, research, and collaboration. With a seating capacity of 1,000, this library has over 100,000 books and periodicals, plus more than 50 local and international journals. Do you need a space for group discussions? We've got 3 learning common rooms designed for teamwork and collaboration. And check this out, the book drop-off machine, which makes returning books easier than ever. Studying doesn't stop in the library. The 3rd floor of Building H features an open study area with more than 200 seats, perfect for students who need a quiet place to focus. The 4th floor is home to the College of Computer Studies and Engineering. This floor houses various specialized facilities, from computer and networking labs to engineering and technical workplaces, providing students with hands-on training in fields like IT, electronics, and digital communication. Whether it's programming, system analysis, or engineering design, students here are equipped with the tools and knowledge to build the future. And here we are on the 5th floor, a home to the nursing department. This is where future healthcare professionals train with hands-on experience. And this, the JRU Mini Hospital. From patient care to hands-on medical simulations, this facility helps students develop the skills they need for the healthcare field. This floor features specialized laboratories for microbiology, parasitology, chemistry, and physics, providing students with real-world training. From classrooms to advanced learning spaces, Building H isn't just a structure. It is where Rizalians grow, learn, and thrive. That's it for this episode of the Heroes Hall. Stay tuned for the next one. And remember, your journey of finding your inner hero starts